Top 6 ways to detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. The kidneys play a pivotal role among the vital organs in the human body by aiding in waste elimination, maintaining fluid balance, and filtering minerals and toxic substances from the blood. To safeguard your overall health, prioritizing the care of your kidneys and urinary system is imperative. In this video, we will discuss 6 straightforward techniques for naturally detoxifying and cleansing your kidneys. Be sure to stay tuned until the end to discover a method that often goes unnoticed by many. Let's delve into it. Number 1. Stay hydrated. The primary and most crucial method for detoxifying your kidneys is to ensure you remain adequately hydrated. Proper hydration facilitates the kidneys in efficiently carrying out their functions, which involve the elimination of toxins and waste through urine. Consequently, the appearance of your urine serves as an excellent indicator of your hydration status. To assess this, you can simply observe both the quantity and color of your urine output. On average, an individual typically expels approximately 6 cups of urine daily. If you find yourself urinating less than this amount, it is likely an indication that you are not consuming sufficient water, and it is advisable to increase your intake of healthy fluids. Additionally, the color of your urine should ideally be clear or close to clear. While a slight yellow hue is acceptable, a dark yellow color suggests dehydration. The good news is that as you enhance your fluid intake, the color of your urine should gradually lighten and become clearer. Other telltale signs of dehydration include experiencing headaches, having a dry mouth, feeling dizzy, or battling fatigue. If you frequently encounter these symptoms, increasing your water consumption can provide your kidneys with a boost and potentially lead to an improvement in how you feel. However, many individuals often wonder about the recommended daily water intake. While the general guideline suggests consuming 8 glasses of water a day, it's essential to recognize that each person's hydration needs may vary. Instead of fixating on a specific number of glasses, pay attention to the warning signs we discussed earlier and determine the amount of water intake that suits you best. Number 2. Limit your sodium intake. Another effective approach to detoxifying and cleansing your kidneys is to restrict your sodium consumption. If you find yourself consuming a diet rich in sodium, you're certainly not alone. On average, Americans ingest approximately 3,400 milligrams of sodium per day, surpassing the recommended intake by over 1,000 milligrams. Excessive sodium intake can be detrimental to your kidneys for several reasons. Firstly, a high sodium diet leads to an increased presence of calcium in your urine, elevating the risk of kidney stone formation. Additionally, sodium can induce high blood pressure, which carries adverse effects on the kidneys. It damages the arteries responsible for carrying blood to the kidneys, potentially resulting in kidney failure over time. To reduce your sodium intake, a straightforward strategy is to curtail the consumption of processed foods in your diet. We've reached the midway point in our discussion, and we sincerely hope you found the information valuable thus far. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and activate the notification bell if you wish to see more content like this. Let's continue with the video. Number 3. Eat foods that support kidneys. To support your kidneys effectively, it's crucial to make dietary choices that promote their health. As we've previously emphasized, consuming highly processed, sodium-laden foods is detrimental to your kidneys. Instead, prioritize fresh, nutrient-rich foods that offer a substantial boost to your kidney function. You've likely heard the age-old adage, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." Well, this saying applies to kidney health too. Apples and various other fruits are abundant sources of antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber, all of which possess anti-inflammatory properties that offer significant benefits for your kidneys. In addition to apples, consider incorporating other fresh vegetables into your diet, such as kale, spinach, and sweet potatoes. Furthermore, expanding your diet to include more fish is a wise choice. Fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, a vital component that research has demonstrated can substantially reduce the risk of end-stage renal disease or slow down its progression. These foods not only contribute to a healthier waistline but also provide exceptional support for your kidneys. Number 4. Try herbal teas. Another effective approach to detoxifying and supporting your kidneys is to explore the world of herbal teas. Herbal teas have been utilized for medicinal purposes for millennia, addressing a wide array of health concerns, from weight management to complete body detoxification. It's worth noting that they can also play a role in kidney detoxification. Herbal teas are often rich in antioxidants, imparting anti-inflammatory effects and a host of other cleansing advantages. Research studies have even demonstrated their potential to reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. Here are a few examples you might consider trying. Nettle leaf tea, turmeric tea, dandelion tea. These herbal teas can contribute significantly to your kidneys' optimal functioning while aiding in the detoxification process. Number 5. Take the right vitamins and supplements. Much like how our lungs rely on oxygen, our kidneys also depend on essential vitamins and nutrients to function at their best. One noteworthy vitamin for kidney health is vitamin B6. Research has indicated that vitamin B6 can help reduce the formation of calcium oxalate, ultimately lowering the risk of kidney stone development. Another supplement to consider is andrographis, an herb that shows promise in mitigating the toxic effects associated with alcohol consumption. Additionally, several other vitamins and supplements offer potential benefits for your kidneys, including alpha-lipoic acid, moringa, N-acetylcysteine, resveratrol, probiotics, vitamin D. For safety reasons, it is advisable to consult with your healthcare provider before introducing any new supplements into your routine. They can offer guidance tailored to your specific health condition. Number 6. Avoid artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners can have a negative impact on our taste buds, leading to an increased appetite and overeating. This, in turn, contributes to weight gain, elevating the risk of conditions such as stroke, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and kidney disease. Common artificial sweeteners to watch out for include sucralose, found in Splenda, saccharin, found in Sweet and Low, and aspartame, found in Equal. Instead, consider natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, and agave nectar, but use them in moderation. One of the most effective methods for kidney detoxification is a 2-day kidney cleanse. During this period, you exclusively consume foods and liquids that promote optimal kidney health. As mentioned earlier, the kidneys serve as the body's filtration system, eliminating toxins and waste. By providing your kidneys with the most beneficial nutrients during this short time frame, they can efficiently flush out excess toxins. Your kidney cleanse can consist of a combination of juices, teas, herbs, smoothies, and foods that enhance kidney health. However, it's advisable to consult with your doctor, particularly if you have an underlying medical condition. In conclusion, maintaining kidney health primarily involves a healthy diet and adequate hydration. If you found this information helpful, please consider hitting the like button to support the channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for investing your time in watching today's video. As always, we extend my well wishes for your health, wealth, and happiness.